All right, well, I'm back filming again here. Now, this is probably going to be a real short video, but then again, we'll find out as it goes. I just wanted to get a better viewpoint. You can see where I'm standing here. Fall in, cave in. I'll probably have to get an extra tile, to be honest. Holy shit, that's deep. Wow. Wow, 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 wowzers. Man. Retiba. Amazing, look at that, eh? Freaking amazing what you can do. Amazing what you can do when you have the right machinery. Holy. See how wet that is? That. What's that? Looks pretty damn good to me, yeah. Probably better for you to get out and come look and make sure I'm not misleading you, right? You know better than I do. Yeah, that looks really flat. Wow, look at the water going in there. That looks awesome. I mean, hey, you know, it's obviously like this a bit, right? Okay, so ready to hook up? Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna turn this off here. All right, guys. Well, here, actually, I know what I'm gonna do. Go past you. Set you up there for a minute. See what's going on. All right. Okay, I don't have to turn you off. I'm on now. You're cold. Well, if I have to, I can always climb in, I guess. Okay, so the first tile is gonna go in. It's gonna be awesome. Now, just so you know, obviously the way you're digging, right? It's level this way, but because you're digging kind of at an angle, it's a little bit like that. Yeah, so it's a little bit like that way. So. Oh, fire! Damn, I should have had that. I don't have it. Oh, you say. What am I talking about? The wire chain there. So does it come off? Right. I'll have to climb down there. I'll climb down there. I got a ladder right there. Oh, we don't put people in the hole. No, I know. You know what I'm saying, right? I got a ladder also. This is even. Okay, so I'll make them right on the money. Do that so it doesn't shift.
Well, no, just so I don't lose the chain in the hole.
Oh, yeah.
Sometimes you got to jiggle it.
Yeah, I get it. Holy flies. Max, come on. You want some more wire or are you good enough just
No, that's just a piece.
Okay. Alrighty. Okay, so what do you think? Okay.
Yeah, I think this on there? This side, yeah.
Yeah, it's a little like this. Gonna take. Okay, just leave the chain on. Okay, yeah. Got it. All right, get the hell here. Come on, Max, get out of the way, buddy. Right, so back to filming here. Hello. Okay, so it's caving in a little bit. So what happens when you got water pouring in from the sides? Make sure I'm out of his way here. So he's gonna scoot that a little flatter, or a little more level, I should say. Holy shit. It really is filling up. Holy cremolium. Awesome. That is awesome. Killed two birds with one stone for this day. Max, stay out of there. I don't want you falling in, buddy. You stay out of there. Yeah. Holy crap. Oh, look at that water pouring in there. Holy crap. Oh, get out of my ears, bud. Okay, so here he is again. Doing his thing. Go away. Yeah, I should have got more tiles, damn it. So don't hurt. Actually, I was thinking about phoning the guys that brought me the tiles. I wonder if they can get it here quick enough. I don't know. Doubt it. All these projects always turn out more than you think. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. All right, so I kind of came up with a name for this. Obviously, it's going to be something to do with wells, water. So I figure I'd call it a well tile or a tile well. Maybe that sounds better. I don't know. Well tile, tile well, well. Oh, that sounds dumb. So, some kind of name for this video. I haven't actually posted it yet. Of course, this is in the process of videoing here, editing and all that. So yeah. It's filling up pretty good. Okay, well, all right, here we go. Whoops, hello. Fall on my face. I'm gonna get myself set up here for this. So, I'm gonna climb up here. All right. Being lopsided like that, okay? You want me to adjust that, or are you okay like that? Yeah? Yeah, that's what I thought. Okay, so I'm gonna put you here for now. Justice, baby. Come on now. Oh, that's the wrong way. Yeah, of course, why not? Why not do the wrong way? Come on, you evil thing. Evil. That seems pretty good. Okay. All good, Randy? Yeah, looking good. Right. Alrighty, alrighty. Looking awesome. Alright. My job for now. My ladder if I have to. Oh boy, here we go. Turn it sideways. Whee! Be getting off the truck. Okay. Here we go. It's the maiden voyage. Here you go, little tile. You're gonna live there for the rest of your life. It's pretty cool how they used fiber. I better be careful with that. Hold on to this tree at least. Yeah. Oh shit! Is the chains off or what? Yep, it's off. Chains are off. What do you think of that for angle? What about all that dirt on there?
Yeah, we're gonna have to drag it down.
Okay, well, I'll set my ladder up. I'll go down. Okay?
Leave that broom on the long stick there. I hate going and keep going in there.
No, I get that. Well, okay. I gotta turn this film off. Okay, guys, I'll get back to you in the next one. I've got to use 2 hands. Bye for now.